Follow me, please. Let's be seated. This is the menu list. Is there anything that you would like to have?
Is there a bestseller and recommended menu?
Sure, we have chicken salted egg, kecap gurame, salted in butter.
Okay, we will have the chicken salted egg and kecap gurame.
Is there anything for your drink?
We would like ice lemon tea and a tea.
Certainly, sis. Please wait for a moment.
Thank you. Excuse me,
Can I help you?
I am trying to find a rice, sugar, cooking oil, coffee, tea, milk, instant noodles, eggs, chicken, and fish. Can you please show me where those products are located?
Sure. Fresh rice, cooking oil, sugar, coffee, tea, and meat in row number 3. Less instant noodles, eggs, chicken, and fish is at the back near the fruit rack.
Sorry, still X. Where is the shampoo, toothpaste, soap, detergent, tissue, hand body, toothbrush, facial soap, lipstick, and perfume?
Fresh shampoo, toothpaste, soap, toothbrush, detergent in row number 2. Fresh tissue, hand body, facial soap, lipstick, and perfume in row number 1.